Hello everyone, welcome to the series of chapter 3rd in which we discuss exercise 3.1, question number 3rd on comparing the ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. Find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So, how we find consistent and inconsistent values? Consistent values are those values which have one solution or many solutions. Inconsistent values are those values in which no solution are here. Okay, so a1 upon a2. What is a1 upon a2? So we discuss in introductory part, a1 upon a2 is the coefficient of x and b1 upon b2 is the coefficient of y and c1 upon c2 is the coefficient value of constant term. Now solve this equation from the help of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. So what is the value of a1 upon a2 here in this equation? That is a1 equals to 3 and a2 equals to 2. Then what is the value of b1 and b2 here? b1 here is 2 and b2 here is minus 3. b1 here is 2 and b2 here is minus 3. c1 and c2 equals to 5 and 7. Okay. Then, first condition, a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, in which parallel lines are formed, in which intersecting lines are formed. Intersecting lines formed and have one solution only. One solution only. Okay. So, this condition is fulfilled in this equation. Put here a1 upon a2 is not equals to 2 upon minus 3. So its condition is fulfilled. Then we say that it have one solution. So it's a consistent equation. Okay. Here it's a consistent value because these equation have intersecting lines or it have one solution. Okay. Now, second question of third question, second part. Firstly, took this screenshot of this, then come with next part. So, question number third, part number second. What is the value of a1 here is 2 and a2 here is 4, b1 here is minus 3, b2 here is minus 6 and c1 8, c2 9. Then which condition apply here? Firstly, we solve this. a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2, because here 2 by 4 we can write 1 by 2, minus 3 by minus 6 here is 1 by 2, but 8 by 9 is not equals to 1 by 2. So, a1 upon a2 that is 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 that is 1 by 2 and c1 upon c2 that is not equals to 1 by 2. So, it's a form of coincident line. Coincident lines in which many solutions are occur. Many solution occur. Okay. So, it's a consistent equation. Here we can write these equations have coincident lines and have many solution So it's linear equation are, its equation is consistent. Question number third, part number third, in which what is the value of a1 here is 3 by 2, b2 b1 here is 5 by 3, and c1 7. Here 9, b2 here is minus 10, and c2 here is 14. So firstly solve one by one. a1 upon a2 equals to 3 by 2 into 9. We write this in that form. Okay, then 1 by 2 into 3, because 3 3s are 9 here. Okay, then 1 by 6. So what is the value of a1 upon a2 is 1 by 6. Then b1 upon b2 here is 5 upon 3 into minus 10. So we write this in minus 2 here. So b1 upon b2 equals to 1 by 3 into minus 2. b1 upon b2 equals to 1 by minus 6. So in this, a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, because here no negative sign in a1 upon a2. 1 by 6 is positive. Here b1 upon b2 is negative in 1 by 6. So this condition is fulfilled. a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. This is the condition of intersecting lines, and it have only one solution. Okay, one solution. So we can write this. These equation have intersecting lines, and have one solution. So its equation of consistent solution. So move with next question, that is part 4, in which a1 upon a2 is 5 upon minus 10. b1 upon b2 is minus 3 by 6. c1 upon c2 is 11 by minus 22. So in this, a1 upon a2 equals to 5 by 10, that is 1 by minus 2. b1 upon b2 equals to minus 3 by 6, that is minus 1 by 2. Here c1 upon c2 equals to 11 by minus 22, that is minus 1 by 2, in which a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. Condition of parallel lines are follow. a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2, in which parallel lines are formed. Parallel lines, and it have no solution. So we can say that it's an inconsistent solution. So right here, these equation have parallel lines and have no solution. So it's a condition of inconsistent solution. This is part number 4, and this is part number 5. This is the last part of question number 3, in which what is the value of a1 here? 4 by 3, b1 here 2, c1 here is 8. What is the value of a2 here? 2, b2 here 3, and c2 12. Now a1 upon a2 equals to 4 by 3 into 2. We can write this in 2 upon 3 into 1, or 2 by 3 here. Now b1 upon b2 equals to 2 by 3. Then c1 upon c2 equals to 8 by 12. That is 4 by 3. Okay. So it's a condition of A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2, sorry. It's a condition of coincident lines in which many solutions are occur. Coincident lines, many solutions are occur. Many solution. Okay, so we write same para in this part also. So you can screenshot, then we will come with question number 4. 7, in which draw a graph from these two equations and shaded the triangular region. Okay, now y equals to x plus 1 from equation first. Okay, put the value of x equals to 0, then we get y equals to 1. When we put x equals to 0, then we get y equals to 1. Secondly, x equals to 1, then y equals to 2. Okay, x equals to 1, then y equals to 2. X equals to 3, then y equals to 3 plus 1, that is 4 here. 3 plus 1, 4 here. Then equation second, 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0, then 2y equals to 1 minus 3x, 12 minus 3x, sorry, 12. So y equals to 12 minus 3x by 2. Then put the value of x here equals to 0. X equals to 0, then y equals to 12 by 2, that is 6. X equals to 0, then we get 6 here. Put x equals to 2, then y equals to 12 minus 3 into 2 upon 2, that is 12 minus 6 by 2. Y equals to 6 by 2 equals to 3 here. Okay, then x equals to 2, y equals to 3. Put x equals to 4 here. Y equals to 12 minus 3 into 4 upon 2 equals to 12 minus 12 upon 2. So y equals to 0. When we put x equals to 4, then y equals to 0. Now draw a graph here. Firstly, equation first, x equals to 0, y equals to 1. X equals to 0, y equals to 1. Point here, that is 0, 1 point. Second point is 1, 2. X axis पे 1 चाहिए, y axis पे 2 चाहिए. Then this point, this is 1, 2. Now 3, 4. X axis पे 3, y axis पे 4. This is the point, that is 3, 4. Draw a line with the help of scale. Draw a line with the help of scale, and this is a line for equation first. So here we write equation x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. Now draw second equation's line. X equals to 0, y equals to 6. X equals to 0, y equals to 6 here. Okay, first point is 0, 6. Now second point is 2, 3. X axis पे 2, y axis पे 3. This point, that is 2, 3. Then third point is 4, 0. X axis पे 4, y axis पे 0. This point. So draw this line. Okay. For equation number, draw this line for equation second. That is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. So intersecting point is 2, 3. ठीक है, इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट क्या आ गया 2, 3. अब ट्रायंगुलर रीजन कहाँ बन रहा है हमारा, ये देखिए, ये एक हमारा ट्रायंगुलर रीजन बन रहा है, दिस. ओके, सो शेड दिस. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस वी विल एंड द एक्सरसाइज 3.1 of chapter 3rd. So subscribe, like, share for more videos.